One of the main draws of this planer is the fact that it's 15 inches wide. There's very few planers in this price range at 15 inches that get you the features that this has, and it's packed with them. We are on 4 ball screw posts, which makes this raise up and down very accurately, and it just operates butter smooth. Up and down, super smooth. I love the fact that this gauge is on here that shows you about how much you're going to take off with each pass. Now this one, all the way across, so it doesn't matter where you put your board, it will register. Now this is also a 2-speed planer. You can choose between 12 or 22 feet per minute. Make sure it's running when you switch that on. On the top of this, you do get rollers to feed your boards back and forth. If you're by yourself and you're playing a long board, when you run it through, you can come around on the other side and set it back over the top and it'll roll across there. Now the real star of the show is going to be what's inside. Inside here has 40 helical teeth set at an angle, and that's what the helical comes in, because a spiral cutter head are just straight cutter teeth. A helical cutter head has them angled, and what that does is when you're cutting your wood or planing your wood, it's actually cutting or shearing off the wood versus chopping the wood. The helical head should, in theory, give you a much smoother cut. This is a 2.5 horsepower, 230 volt planer, so you need that 230 volt power in your shop. First power on with the Oliver, 230 volt plug in. Not overly loud at all.